This is my engine swapped golf cart, and it has some serious problems that this box is gonna help me solve. But before I tell you what's in the box, let's talk about the video for a second. In this video, we're gonna have to strip this thing down to bare bones. I'm talking cutting the frame apart, taking all the body panels off, and pulling the engine for the last time, I'm hoping. It is about to go down. So let's get right into the video. First, let's get the window off. To do this, we gotta push these two bolts that aren't attached to anything onto the next side. And a little shing. Right about now, the window's just gonna wanna, well, peel itself off. Now that we've got the window off, I guess we'll pull the roof off. And trust me, I've got some great experience and lift with your back. And it sucks. Go up, puppy! Ow! Watch this. Wow. This is comfortable, folks. We gotta cut these so we can take the body off. Safety first! Now that we've gotten this puppy loose, I'm gonna lift it. Oh, it's not that heavy. This thing is lighter than the roof. We're gonna seamlessly lift these body panels off and nothing is gonna go wrong. That is quite loud. I'm gonna rip this carpet up now. We gotta cut along here so that we can lift the back up because of these things. The whole reason we're taking all the body panels off is to replace the rear axle. This thing has immense problems with alignment and like living. Now that we've gotten everything taken off, we gotta remove the coolant hoses, the exhaust pipe, the air intake, and probably cut the engine off at some point. I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the exhaust right now. Once we take this off, there's only one more bolt we need to loosen. We should be able to pull the whole exhaust apart. The rear piece should be able to come off. The front exhaust pipe will also be able to come off. Now we should just be able to pull this off. Just like that. Now let's loosen these. I have no clue how much coolant is in there, so let's find out. Next up, we've got this one. Fingers crossed there's not a lot in here. While we're waiting for everything to fully drain, let's go ahead and take this off. And just like this, the chain comes off. Alrighty, I'm gonna turn the fan on so I don't die, and we're gonna cut this. Gentle. Let's undo the gas stuff. Now I gotta cut these two support beams. So let's cut it! That was pretty good. This thing is a lot lighter when you don't have 60 billion pounds in extracurriculars. That's school. That's what taught me that word right there. So, subscribe. Let's unbolt these puppies. We've got 4 bolts on each one. That's 8. Times that again, 512. So let's get to it. Push these down, and well, we should be able to pull this out, but we need to take the tires off. I'm gonna switch this around so that we can get the other tire on. Smooth. Alrighty, folks. The bolt size is different, but we will get our first look. They're all in the right place. for the most part. But with the new axle, let's pull this one out and we'll set the new axle in and see how it looks. Probably about, wow, immaculate. Well folks, I know you're all sitting at home and thinking, this thing is a beautiful piece of art. And you're all thinking, who made this video? Because it's amazing. And well, I did. So thank you all so much for watching. Come back in a week or so, maybe a week and a half, and you'll see an immaculate, another video with the golf cart. We're gonna start mounting the engine in this puppy, but we're gonna take our sweet, sweet time. So it might be broken up into 2, maybe 600 different videos. Thank you all. I'll see you in a little bit. Please subscribe